The question that's belong to the inequality of the graph. There are two constraints which is given over here. What is the procedure? We need to find out constraint x-intercept and y-intercept one by one. Like the first constraint is 2x plus y less than 8. X-intercept means y0. 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. It means that I will write it down in the form of coordinate is 4, 0. Similarly, when we will find out the y-intercept means x0. 2 into 0 is 0 and y is equal to 8. I am writing directly 0, 8. This is the first constraint, coordinate. Now come on the second constraint, coordinates. The second constraint coordinates is 3x plus 2y less than 6. And the coordinates will be the 3x and 6. It will be 2, 0. And the second one is 0, 3. Whenever you draw the graph, always see the maximum and the minimum points. Like, for example, if you will see it very critically, the x coordinates maximum is 4 and y coordinates is maximum is 8. I will draw a graph according to it, but need to see very clearly. The line 1's coordinate will be 4, 0 and 0, 8. Line 2 coordinate is 2, 0 and 0, 3. See one more condition very critically here. It is written x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. What does it mean? There will be no negative x-axis and there is no negative y-axis. Then I'm moving toward the drawing. The one more key point I'm telling you, this is also called non-negative variables, x and y, decision variable sometimes in the linear programming when you will do the shading. The question task is drawing the graph of the inequality and hence define the region bounded by the inequalities. The bounded region is called optimal region or feasible region. This is only for your knowledge. Now I'm moving toward the graph. The graph paper is pretty small here and it's will be better if we will go on the whiteboard. The one more thing, if the inequality have less than equal to and greater than equal to, we always draw a permanent line. And when we have less than and greater than only, then we draw a dotted line or dashed line, whatever you want to see it. I'm stopping the screen and moving toward the whiteboard. Now see it very critically. The coordinates were, for example, there is no negative x-axis and y-axis. I'm not drawing it, that's why. It's not according to the graph, but it is a sketch that will give you a clear idea then how you will draw. The maximum point of x is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, x-axis. Now it's y-axis. I'm taking, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. The first point of the line is 4, 0. I'm drawing it again. It's 4, 0 and 0, 8. And the second point is 2, 0 and 0, 3. 0, 3 will be here, hopefully. Firstly, 2, 0 and 0, 3. This is second line, definitely it will move beyond that. And as I have already told you, it's a dotted line, not a dark line. It's a dotted line. Now, the first line is 4, 0. This is this one, 4 and 0, 8. It's also a dotted line. थोड़ी सी डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गई है ये हल्की सी अपनी जगह से। ओहो, ये यहाँ से पास हो गई। ठीक है, that's it. रीजन फाइंड आउट करना था इसका। व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन सेट? द बेस्ट वे, क्योंकि मैंने इसे रफली स्केच किया, डेफिनेटली दे आर मीटिंग समवेयर। हाउ कैन वी एबल टू फाइंड आउट कि वेयर इट इज मीटिंग? द इक्वेशंस वर, inequalities were 2x is less than 8 and the other one is 3x plus 2y less than 6. We will solve it simultaneously with the help of the calculator. Calculator is already allowed. Class will have an option to solve the simultaneous equation in a minute. And when you will solve both of them, I got the answer x is equal to 10 and y is equal to minus 12. आप भी चेक लगा लेना अपने भी। आई एम बेट श्योर कि मेरा आंसर ठीक है। अगर आपका भी आप आ गया, सिर्फ ये की आइडिया है, इट्स की आइडिया, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि कहाँ जाके मीट कर रहे होंगे, ये नीचे एक्स एक्सिस में जाके मीट कर रहे होंगे। मगर वहां रीजन आपका डिफाइन नहीं है, क्यों? क्योंकि दे हैव ऑलरेडी क्लियर्ड यू कि आपके पास क्या है, रीजन एक्स भी पॉजिटिव है एंड वाई भी पॉजिटिव। इट मीन्स दैट दिस इज द बाउंड्री रीजन। व्हाई इट इज द बाउंड्री रीजन? वी ऑलवेज शेड टुवर्ड द ओरिजिन, एंड व्हेन वी शेड टुवर्ड द ओरिजिन, this is a true region, this is a true region. When the two regions will be combined, this will be basically a true region with the dotted lines, right? So this will be you can say that the bounded region. If you want to say the name, it's OAB. Yes, that's it. Maybe you have a confusion. What is the origin test on the bounded region? Whenever we have the equation like 2x plus y less than 8, we will do the origin test. Always do the origin test. It's true. The situation is true. That's why we will do shading toward the origin. And the second constraint is 2x is 3x plus 2y less than 6. It's also a true situation. 3 into 0, 2 into 0 less than 6, 0 less than 6. It's also a true situation. This is the reason that I have shaded only this part, this, this, this part of the region. Thank you.